Now, let us discuss some of the important questions of chemistry for class 10th. The first chapter we are going to discuss is chemical reactions. Question 1. Identify the reducing agent in the following. 4NH3 plus 5O2 gives 4Na plus 6H2O. Here the reducing agent is ammonia, that is NH3. Then second one in that is H2O plus F2 gives HF plus HOF. Here the reducing agent will be water as F2 is getting reduced to HF. Then third one, it says Fe2O3 plus 3CO gives 2Fe plus 3CO2. So here carbon monoxide is the reducing agent. Then with that he is asking us define a redox reaction in terms of gain or loss of oxygen. So the definition of redox reaction is a chemical reaction in which one substance gains oxygen, that is oxidation, and another substance loses oxygen, that is reduced. Then, coming to the second question, he is saying identify the type of each of the following reactions, stating reasons for your answer. First one says Fe2O3 plus 2Al gives Al2O3 plus 2Fe plus E. So this will be exothermic reaction. It is also displacement reaction as the elements are displayed, and it is also a redox reaction. So it is a three type of reaction together. Now reason will be as heat is evolved, a more reactive element displays a less reactive element, or aluminium reduces iron to oxide to iron. Now second one is PbNO3 plus 2Ki gives PbI2 plus 2KNO3. It is double displacement reaction also and precipitation reaction also. Reason is as there is an exchange of ions between reactants and product, that is yellow precipitates of lead iodate is formed. So both of them is there. Then third one it says ZnCO3 on heating gives ZnO plus CO. So here it is decomposition reaction. Reason here single component, that is zinc carbonate, break down into components zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. Hence it is called decomposition reaction. Now question 3 says write chemical equation for the reaction that occurs when blue colored copper sulfate crystals are heated. So this is dehydration of crystals take place. So CuSO4 5H2O, which we call as copper sulfate, and it is blue in color, it gets into CuSO4 and 5H2O. CuSO4 is anhydrous copper sulfate, that is white powder, and water will be absorbed by H2SO4. Now, second one in that it says sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated during cooking. So 2NaHCO3 on heating gets converted to Na2CO3 plus H2O plus carbon dioxide, which goes in the form of gas. Sodium hydrogen carbonate on heating forms sodium carbonate water and liberates carbon dioxide gas. Now, fourth question says write one chemical equation for the chemical reaction in which the following have taken place. Change in color. So I can give a simple example of iron. Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu, where Fe is iron, CuSO4 is copper sulfate, blue color, and FeSO4 is ferrous sulfate, that is pale green color, and Cu means copper. Then change in temperature. PbNO3 whole twice plus 2Ki gives PbI2 plus 2KNO3. Then formation of precipitation. BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. Then Fifth question says, name the type of chemical reaction in which calcium oxide reacts with water. Justify your answer by giving balanced chemical equation of chemical reaction. So I can say CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice. A combination reaction is a reaction where two or more elements or compounds combine to form a single compound. Calcium oxide combines with water to form carbon calcium hydroxide. Hence, it is a combination reaction. It is an exothermic reaction as a lot of heat is liberates with a hissing sound during the reaction. Now, sixth question says, when 2 ml of sodium hydrogen solution is added to few pieces of granulated zinc in test tube and then warmed, the reaction that occurs can be written in the form of a balance equation as NaOH plus Zn gives NaZnO2 plus H2O, 2NaH 2NaOH plus Zn gives Na2ZnO2 plus H2, 2NaOH plus Zn gives NaZnO2 plus H2. So if you see carefully here, the B equation is the balanced one, as all the all the uh, metals and non-metals on the left hand side and RHS side are equal. Then, select from the following a decomposition reaction in which source of energy for decomposition is light. So, here we can directly see that 2AgBr gives 2Ag plus Br2 is the correct answer. Then, eighth one says MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. The reaction given above is a redox reaction because in this case MnO2 is reduced and HCl is oxidized. Now next question says MnO2 plus XHCl plus gives MnCl2 plus YH2O plus ZCl2. In order to balance the above chemical equations, the values of X, Y and Z respectively are, so it should be 4, 2 and 1. Then, tenth one says, strong heating of ferrous sulfate leads to the formation of a brown solid and two gases. This reaction can be categorized as decomposition and redox reaction. Then, assertion and reason. The color of aqueous solution of copper sulfate turns colorless when a piece of lead is added to it. This is assertion. Reason says lead is more reactive than copper and hence displaced from the salt solution. So, answer will be both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A.